Today we're going to install the AlloyGator Rim Protectors on a 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. Included in the box are the 4 rim protectors. I selected the gray silver color. Instructions on how to do it, as well as these items, as well as the 5 covers once you've completed the install, the metal grips that you apply to the ring, some glue which I won't use, I'll be using my own. The tools you're going to need are a hammer. This is a 3-pound dead blow hammer for hammering in the rim. A cutter to use for cutting at the very end. A screwdriver may be required to hold the joint while gluing it. The glue, as mentioned previously, that will be used at the joint. And the only other part that's required is a jack to lift the car off the ground so the tire can turn freely. So let's get into it. So the next step in putting on the tire rim protectors is to glue in these metal pieces in the holes. So the first 12 slots, you just place them in starting at the tab here, all the way around till you get to number 13. And bring that up, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there, it has a 13. So what you do is put a drop of crazy glue into the spot like that. And press it in. Once it's in, just take some activator and just spray that in. So again, I'll just go through that one more time because I was a bit confused myself. Take the crazy glue, put one drop right there. See that? Grab one of these metal clips, stick it in the hole. There's a slot there. Once it's in, sure it's secure. Activator. That's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and do all of them all the way through. And one thing you'll notice is on this side, let's see if I can get a close up of that. Can't really see it, but anyway, what it does is the clip here, it'll catch on your rim and hold it tight. So I'll go ahead and put all those clips on for all the rings. Okay, now that we've got the clips in the band, the next step is to jack up the car so it can freewheel. And I would put the valve stem at the top, and we need to let out all the air. Now that all the air's out, we're just gonna loosen the bead here. Just slowly rotate it. We get back to the valve stem. There he is. And then you need to lubricate before putting on the band. So I've got some clay lube you could use Johnson's Baby shampoo. Take some water. I've got this at hand, so I'm going to use this. So just put lots on. There you go. And then you take part with the tab, put it up at the valve stem. I think once you get it started, there we go. From the side. Once you've got it this far, what you want to do is cut the excess off. So the best way to do that is bring it down to the bottom. So I've got these cutters right here. Got them at Princess Auto. I think you can get them at Harbor Freight for a couple bucks. That's what these were. Just mark it right there. There we go. Now that it's about 20 pounds, 15 to 20 pounds, just go ahead and do one more round of hammering. Now the last part is just air up the tires to the factory settings, which the last step is to put the cover over the joint. So just put a couple dabs of the crazy glue. Once you get it there, just put some pressure, and there you go. Here's how the AlloyGator Rim Protectors look on my 2021 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. It's on there pretty good. There's the connector over there. Bit of a challenge put on, but overall I'm glad I did it. Should protect them from getting any curb rashes or any damage from potholes. A bit of a challenge to get on. I think I should have used a little bit more lube when I was hammering it on. Got a lot better by the fourth one. I've had the AlloyGator alloy rim protectors on for about 6 months now, and I have hit the curb a few times and got a little bit of rashes on the rim protectors, but the rims are protected. They haven't been scratched up at all, so definitely worth the investment of $100 to $200. I can't really remember how much it costs, but I'll put the link for the rim protectors. Got them off of Amazon, 1 or 2 days shipping, so it's really quick. So anyway,
If you found this information useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so you'll be notified when I create new content.